Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 114 Sterling Street, Unit A, and this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the first floor in Worcester, Mass. And I'm gonna kind of go around, give you the best idea of the size and dimensions of this place as I can from the video, and just point out a lot of the nice things that this place has to offer. So if you are familiar with apartments in Worcester, you'll recognize this double parlor room setup. It is used most of the time as either like 2 living rooms or a dining room and a living room. Either way you want to set it up, there's plenty of space in here. There's plenty of windows. There's 5 windows in total that each take up probably more than half the wall or just about half the wall. And so there's lots of light in here. I have the blinds drawn right now just to kind of partly just to show them too, because they're pretty nice. They're sturdy, thicker than regular blinds, almost like a wood style finish on them, and they hold up really well. So I do like those blinds. Got a nice wood trim all around too in the living room, this arch in the middle, and these are some built-in cabinets. So this is like a chest. Both of these come up, and then this whole area is storage. And there's additional storage in these drawers right here, as well as the cabinets on the top. Then coming back through here, you can see the kitchen, and then the kitchen goes to all the other rooms in the apartment. Kitchen is kind of the nicest part, especially these cabinets and this counter. So this is a real granite countertop. It is very nice feeling solid rock, as well as these stainless steel appliances. So you have a 4-burner gas stove. A lot of people prefer gas, and a big stainless steel refrigerator, as well as the sink bin over there. In that kind of aisle is the pantry, and we'll take a look at all these rooms, but that has the hookups for the laundry, the washer and dryer as well. And yeah, just the cabinets in here, you know, have a pretty nice finish. They have kind of like chrome handles and like, I guess, lighter insides. And then, you know, this goes throughout the rest of the apartment. Big thing to look at is we listed this place as a 2-bedroom plus an office, basically. So this right here would be considered the office. It doesn't have a closet, but it does have the heating in the door and a nice big window in the middle. So this would be perfect if you had a home office or anything like that. And we just didn't count it as one of the other 2 bedrooms, but we'll take a look at those in just a minute. And so yeah, that's its own room right over there. Then coming through here, can take a look in this room and see that this is a much bigger room, and it's got the closet over there. This just pretty much stays closed, but that is kind of like an emergency door. It goes out to the front hallway where you kind of come in, but it's not the same as the door that goes into the living room. Then you got this closet here, so it's got a big clothes rack which goes all the way in, and plenty of space for extra storage. Then you can see the rest of the room from this angle. Same blinds, big blinds that cover the windows from over there, and the radiators. Whole place was just professionally deep cleaned. Then you come in here, and this is the bathroom. So this bathroom just got redone. You know, you have new paint, new trim kind of going throughout the whole thing. Even the windows and all the finishes in here with deep clean, the floors and the fixtures. And yeah, it looks really nice. It even has the vanity lights above the mirror. I did step in it to take a picture, but it's a fully clean white toilet, and it's got the bathroom light up there. So nice bright bathroom in here, and the wood, you know, that's still on here is in good shape. Oh, also there's an extra drawer over on this side. Then we'll come in. Oh yeah, so this is the sink. So more of that granite countertop, very solid feel to it, right next to the stove over there. Then you come in here, there's a pantry, so you can kind of see the rest of it. You have Same cabinet, same countertop, same deal. Different blinds in this room. And then it's the electric plug and the washer hookups right there for the washer and dryer. Then coming through here is this room. This is the second room out of the 1 out of 2 rooms. And that's the other closet right there. Same blinds over here in this room with the kind of wooden blinds and the radiator as well. And I would say both of these rooms probably big enough for like a queen size bed and a desk / dresser setup. And then this is a mudroom which goes out to the back hallway. And if you have any questions about this or any of our other listings, you can go to nexuswor.com and go to the vacancies page, and there's an option to reach out to a leasing agent there. And once again, this is 114 Sterling Street, Unit A in Worcester, Massachusetts, and this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.